this video, we are going to cover all the chances, but especially also the risk of Eazybot. And I really don't want to miss any risk, so you can make a detailed decision based on your risk management if this project is something for you or not. Me personally, I find Eazybot one of the best and safest investment, but of course, no investment at all will ever go with zero risk. So we will definitely cover this in depth in this video. And before we start, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I am just showing you what I am investing in. I'm showing you my opinion. And before you invest anything, always do your own research and never invest any money which you need for your living. So now let's dive right into it. Before we check the risk in detail, we want to have a look at the chances which comes with Eazybot. And this is of course the nice profits which we can make, which are around 5 to 20% each month. Here you can see from the live account from Eazybot how their performance, the profits have been in the last 200 days plus. And this is of course really nice because we can make these profits not only in the bull market but also in the bear market, in the current market crash situation which we have, and even if we have a side trend. So as long as we have high volatile coins, we are perfectly good to go to make really nice profits with Eazybot. I just had even one bot which I set up. It was one of the new coins, the Mana bot, and I just had it for 4 days activated and I made 4.5% in these 4 days only. Of course, this can always change, and it also will be different to you, to me, because we have all different entry points. But I mean, who don't want to make nice profits when the market is crashing? So if we would just hold our coins in these last 240 days or so, we would have made minus 28, minus 17, almost minus 50% with our hodl portfolio. Okay, so this is the average price. So of course, some coins or tokens have lost even more worth, some coins less, but this is the average from the portfolio coins. But if we would have used these coins for Eazybot trading, we would have not made minus 50%, but plus 25%. It's 75% difference. This is really awesome, and me personally, I really love Eazybot so much, and I'm really grateful to have this opportunity and to even make profits passively while sleeping with this bot. We can have a quick look at the Polygon chart, the Matic chart, which was one of the best performing coins over the time. And of course, past results never guarantee future results, but let's have a quick look how it looked the last 3 months. And as you can see here, like it went up, down, up, down, up, down. So this token was highly volatile, and this is so perfect for Eazybot. Right, even here in this side trend, it goes up and down and up and down and up and down. And this is enough volatility for Eazybot to make us nice profits. But as said, never comes without any risk. No project at all, no investment at all, no matter crypto, forex, funds, whatever it is, it never comes without any risk. So let's have a look about the risk. And the most obvious is that Eazybot could just leave, scam, whatever it is, with our money. And on this point, it's said that our money, our cryptos are on our exchange, such as Binance or KuCoin to us, right? So one of the biggest exchanges ever. So our funds are there. The only money which Eazybot could take from us is the money we have in our Eazybot wallet, and this is maybe $10 to $100 or so, because all the money Eazybot is needing is some money for the service fees. And you could just put their $10 in there, and when it's go down, you just recharge it. For me, I have mostly something between $50 to $100 in there. So this is the risk I have with them. Then of course, another amount which we might be able to lose are our packages or the money for which we bought our packages. Because yes, you can try Eazybot for free, but if you have seen my other videos, you can also buy some packages. This is the advanced package for $250, VIP for almost $1,000, or VIP Plus for almost $1,500. Me personally, I have the $1,500 package also due to risk management, which I'll also explain later in this video. But if you just want to test it for free, then only like the minimum amount of service fee which you are putting in the Eazybot wallet will be of risk. If you bought any package, then of course it's risky that this money is also gone, or you have just used maybe 6 months of the package duration and the other 6 months are gone and you can't use it anymore. So yes, this is a calculatable risk I personally am really happy and willing to risk. Then another risk we have is that the exchanges are going bankrupt or scam. And we have seen this with FTX. It can happen sometimes really fast, but in my opinion it's pretty, it can happen, but I don't think so, because Binance is still one of the biggest or the biggest crypto exchange, and KuCoin is also pretty big. And also, if you are not in my Telegram group, join me there, because we always share news about the crypto world, about projects. And if we find that some exchanges might get some red flags or similar, we always share all the articles in there, so you can make the decision based on this. Also, we can reduce this risk in buying one of these packages, because as you can see here, with advanced, you can do 2 API connections. With VIP, our VIP Plus, even 5. So here, if you have bought any of these packages, you could put your money on Binance as well as KuCoin, so you would have less risk there also. Then we have another risk which comes with hackers, so it's a third risk. And this is no risk which is just especially to Eazybot, but general. So Eazybot could be hacked, Binance could be hacked, or KuCoin could be hacked. But here it's also a bit less risky, because at least we are working with a trusted IP here. So it's only able to access our API, our funds, to trade our funds with a trusted IP. If you have seen my video where I explained how to set the bot up, you have seen the tick. I would highly recommend you to add this tick, so only trusted IPs can access the API. And this actually means, in case someone else is hacking, for example Eazybot, and they are changing the IP and the hacker is trying to do whatever with our funds, then Binance or KuCoin would immediately notice this and cut the API, so there would be no transactions possible at all. Additionally, also we have set up the API properly. So the API or Eazybot or the hacker or whatever, they can only buy and sell any coins, but do not transfer the coins outside of our exchange. So if you have not given them more access as they need, then this is also not a big deal in my opinion. Also, another risk would be if you share your API secret key. So another risk which we can avoid is sharing our IP or secret key. We should never share this at all. In my video where I showed you how to set up the bot, you have seen my API and my secret key. Yes, but you should not do this at all. In my video, it was just for demonstration purposes, and I deleted the API immediately, and it was never at any time connected to my Eazybot. Okay, so this was really just for showing you how to set up the bot. Do not share your API, your secret key at any time. Then the next risk is that any coin goes to zero, as we have seen with Luna. And this is definitely a legit risk. So this can happen at any time, but we have one advantage here, that we can decide for ourselves which coins the bot is trading. So we can choose just coins which we are bullish on, and also we can diversify our coins. if we see the packages, with the free package you can have 2 bots, 2 coins which you can trade. With advanced it's 10, VIP 25, and VIP it's 100 plus unlimited. So we are here also diversified, so we have less risk, because not all coins will go down to 0 at the same time, mostly. And if it's just a market crash and we are overall still bullish, then it's totally fine, and Eazybot still can make us nice profit. Then the last risk I see personally is Rugpull. And what does it mean, a Rugpull, or how would this work? Eazybot would change the IT and would say, okay, let's buy a shitcoin at this date, at this time, and in the same minute, in the same second, the price of this shitcoin will go up because many people unknowingly bought the shitcoin, and Eazybot would have sold this shitcoin again, made the profit, and we have in our exchange a shitcoin which is totally worthless and just down to 0. And this risk, somehow, yes, it exists, but it would take something, because first of all, you need to list this shitcoin on Binance or KuCoin. Listing is pretty expensive, and also the exchanges are checking the coin before listing. So I also find that this risk is not too high, but definitely it would be possible. In case I missed any risk, then please leave it down below in the comment, and also I would love to know from your point how risky do you find this project, because for me personally, I really find, compared the chances and the risks are super low in my opinion, but of course everyone has different risk management, so I'm really interested to know how you rate this risk. So for summary, we have the risk that you are sharing the API or share your secret key or give the IP too much access more than needed. Okay, so fully avoidable. Then we have the risk of hackers, which at least we can reduce due to the trusted IP. We have the risk that Eazybot is scamming, which is also not too high because there's so much money on the Eazybot wallet. We have the risk that Binance or KuCoin will not exist anymore. Like I said, it's one of the biggest exchanges, so also here can be, but I think it's okay. Then we have the risk that the coins are going to 0. So if we diversify, this should also be not such a big deal. And the last risk which we discussed was the Rugpull. So I really hope this video helped you to make a good decision, to understand all the risks which would come with Eazybot. As said, I really think it's not a big deal or not too much, and the chances are much greater for me personally. And if this video helped you, leave me a like, subscribe to my channel also to do not miss any updates about Eazybot, and then see you in my next video.